Now let's make homemade bread together. Here is our homemade bread. Can you see it? Just look at how beautiful it is. Welcome back. This time, I made a larger batch. We have 4 kilograms of flour and 2 kilograms of potatoes. We prepared our starter by measuring everything with a cup. We have 21 cups of flour. Now let's pour in a little cold water. I'll knead it while gradually adding the warm water. About the size of an orange. This is our fresh starter. We'll feed it and turn it into a starter again. Our potato village bread will taste absolutely delicious. It will be very soft. Our dough has been kneaded very well. We finished kneading our dough. One more round of punching it down will be enough. Hopefully, it will rise nicely. We'll cover it and let it rest. I'll see you when the dough has risen. This fresh starter will make the dough rise beautifully. Yes, our dough has risen. Now, we are going to shape the dough into balls. We're flouring the cloth so the dough won't stick. We shape the dough like this, rolling it and bringing it together. Now we're covering the dough balls. You'll get to watch this part too. I'm also going to feed this and prepare another batch of starter. I'll make a video showing how much bread we can make from it. I poured in a little sunflower oil. Now, press it down and flatten it like this. Spread plenty of poppy seed mixture over it. I'm folding one side over like this. I'm spreading more poppy seed mixture on top. And that's it. That's enough. Now, I'm removing it from here. Let's turn our loaves over. We turned all the loaves over, and they look beautiful. Can you see them? They have become so big. They're nicely dusted with flour. Our oven tool is ready. We turned the bread over and covered it. Our bread is baked. I took one of the potato breads out a little earlier, so it would stay a little softer. I'm going to wrap this one in a cloth too. All right, we have finished preparing our dough. Our dough rested for about an hour and a half under the cloth while it was rising. Then, it baked in the oven for about an hour. This is the first time we made bread with our yogurt starter. It makes a wonderful starter. We also made 2 poppy seed loaves. I wrapped one of the poppy seed loaves in a cloth so it would stay soft. I'll cut the bread open and show you the inside. Let's give it a little tap. Here is the inside of our bread. It is perfectly baked. I would be very happy if you liked and shared my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. The starter for our bread was made with yogurt. Believe me, it turns out absolutely delicious. If you make it, I'd love to hear your comments.